Yeah, Jeff, this is just to show you that block I was trying to explain on the phone. See, it's got a rebate there. That hole will go right through on the real one when I finish making it. So you just put it up, probably on that side. Your lead coming off that screw, X, Y, Z, touch off, and you're done. I'll make it out of this stuff here, which I got from Bunnings. It's cheap as buggery, this stuff. It's $2 for that block. Very heavy plastic, heavy weight wise, so it'll sit on the job better without moving. Tip for new players and this stuff, if you get some and you're all excited to get home, put it in your this might come in handy box. Don't tear these labels off, because if you watch here you'll see, if I can focus, it says colour white and over here colour black. So, you know, in 6 months time you go to pull it out of your this is going to come in handy box and you go, oh shit, which was the black one? And you just won't know. So don't tear those labels off. Righto, so once you've made that block, you're going to have to work out that width to tell Mark III. So what you'll have to do is get onto eBay, get yourself one of these Precision G clamps, I think it's called. Now this one, it says 0.01 of a millimetre. That's a misprint. It's actually 0.00001 according to the guy on eBay. And get one in a sturdy plastic case. You can see that Australia Post did their best, but it got a little bit of damage in the post, so thank God it was in that sturdy case. What you do, you get your G-clamp, you put it up here to measure that. I'll have to do this one hand, I'll show you off here. So you got it on there, then you get your vice grips, and see where it's knurled? That's where you grab it with the vice grips, and you really tighten it up, as tight as you can. When you got it tight, you read these number. You find out what number it was, and that's why you don't use the vice grips down here, use it on the special knurled vice grips area. You remember that number, back it off, right? Then you get your tape measure, you whack it in here, and you measure that gap. Pretty accurate, it's pretty good, and that's the number you put in to Mark III. Okay, but you don't need, it's a bit precision for you until you get your compressor. Once you get your precision compressor, you're going to be right, but until then, this is a bit over the top for you. Righto, so here it is in operation. We'll do a tool 0 here. Tell it the width.
3, 2, 1.
Tool 0 complete.
Now we just go into offsets and we'll jog it across and down a bit and go
3, 2, 1.
Tool 0 complete.
And that's about it. You can see it takes no time at all.